we really defended well, but I felt as if we could have done better defending the set pieces because that's one of their biggest threats. And I'm just disappointed with the team, but I still have hope for the second leg. Let's see what will happen. But I'm so down right now. I'm so down, Basa. Still, Forza Basa. Let's get that comeback. Charlie, like, bro, this is a big UCL night, bro. You don't collapse, bro. Inigo Martinez, I don't know why you're sleeping for, bro. And set pieces, bro. How do you let Dumfries score 2 goals, bro? Charlie, bro. This team is just taking me back to the past, bro. Could have done way better. We really played well, but the defense, bro, especially the set pieces, could have done a lot better. I'm the saddest man on earth, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Saddest man on earth. I don't know how we didn't win this game, bro. Just focus.
We played a very good game. The goals weren't coming, but the possession was on point. Everything, defense was bad a little, but then everything was on point. So I'm just hoping for a better team next time. That's for the second leg because we are going to their home. The pitch is small. The noise up there will be too crazy for the guys. Like imagine the time they went to Dortmund's home, and they went to lash us there. They really lashed us there. So I'm just hoping this time they focus more and then get prepared for the next game, which is the second leg.